Take your cooking skills to the next level with the Chef IQ Smart Thermometer. Add-on number 2, a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled device designed to provide precision and convenience in the kitchen. This advanced thermometer allows you to monitor the temperature of 2 foods simultaneously, making it perfect for grilling, baking, roasting, or frying. It's the ultimate tool for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts who value accuracy and ease of use. Equipped with advanced sensors, the thermometer ensures perfect cooking results every time. You'll receive real-time alerts when your food is ready to come off the heat, eliminating guesswork and ensuring perfectly cooked meals. The ultra-thin probes are designed to maintain the integrity of your food by keeping juices inside while delivering precise readings accurate to within 1 degree F. Built for versatility, the Chef IQ thermometer works seamlessly with grills, ovens, smokers, air fryers, and stovetops. Its dual probe capability allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once or monitor different cooking environments, like the oven and smoker, simultaneously. The Chef IQ app enhances the experience by providing remote monitoring capabilities, guided recipes, and cooking tips, all from your smartphone. With unlimited Wi-Fi range and reliable Bluetooth connectivity, you're free to step away from the kitchen to entertain guests or relax while staying in complete control of your cooking process. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this FDA-compliant device is durable, waterproof, and easy to clean. The thermometer is also oven-safe and features a sleek digital display for easy readability. Its programmable features allow you to customize settings for a wide range of dishes and cooking techniques, making it a must-have for any kitchen. With glowing reviews from users praising its accuracy, ease of use, and strong connectivity, the Chef IQ Smart Thermometer is a reliable companion for both novice and experienced cooks. Elevate your culinary game with this innovative thermometer and achieve flawless results every time.